we wrote some small ideas to churn the ocean of Harikatha, and on a particular words such as arti dai, arti da eva. So this means, I was wondering, because arti means the phrase arti, long a arti means those who give trouble. So I was wondering if there's any relation between arati and aroti, because when you do arati, that creates auspiciousness and removes trouble from the atmosphere. Well, I can't say, it was just my idea. But here what I was writing, because Krishna is saying, you should go back to your husbands, and that, otherwise you'll get in trouble. And the gopis say, and actually Sri Jiva Goswami explains, the Braja gopis are speaking a double meaning here when they say arta dai, give us trouble. One meaning is, oh Krishna, why we shouldn't appreciate our husbands and children, because they don't cause us much trouble. So you're telling us to go back to our husbands? Yes, that's reasonable. They don't cause us much trouble.